Welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In our previous videos, we have seen so many important concepts and so many important methods regarding dictionary, right? So in this video also, we will be knowing one more important concepts regarding dictionary, which is nothing but how to add or update the items in the dictionary. So item is considered as key value pair. So how we can add that key value pair in the dictionary, and if the key is already existing, if the key value pair is already existing, how we can update the value. So that we will be seeing in this video. Watch the video till the end so that you can able to understand clearly how we can do all of this process. So first we can update or add the values to the dictionary using this is equal to operation. So it is not just a is equal to operation, but it is a combination of is equal to operation. So before understanding this, let us take the example that what we usually taking. So I will be taking a dictionary which is nothing but details here. So in these details I am considering name here. So I will consider Mahesh here. So name is a key value is Mahesh. So I will consider age, and the value I will be considering, let's say 22. So I am executing this. This is got executed. So now if I print details here, so I need to change this details here. I am executing this. So we can able to get the key value pairs name Mahesh and age 22. So this whole thing is considered as a dictionary, right? So now what I will be doing is that by using this is operator, I will be adding one more key value pair for this details. So in order to do that, first we need to use this details dictionary, and after that we need to use this index operation. So in our previous videos we have seen by using this index operation and by passing keys to this index operation, we can able to get the values, right? So we will be following the similar procedure here. If I give a new key that is not present in this dictionary, previously when we execute that, we will be getting an error, right? Let's say what I will be doing is that I will mention gender here. So now if I execute this, we are getting error, which is key error, which means this key is not present in the dictionary. So now what I will be doing is that I wanted to add this key to the dictionary with some value. So that the value I will be taking, which is nothing but male here. So now if I execute this, this is got executed. If I print details dictionary here, details, and if I execute this, we can able to see name and age previously existing. This gender male is newly created. So this key value pair is newly created by the execution of this. So previously we have got name and age only. Now we have got name, age, and gender. So by this you can able to understand, by using this index operation, by using this equal to operation, we can able to add a key value pair to the dictionary. So I hope you can able to understand that. So apart from just adding a key value pair to the dictionary, we can actually update the existing key value pairs. So let us go ahead and see how we can do that. So in order to do that, what we need to do is that we need to take the dictionary and we need to mention whatever the key we need to update. So here in case I will mention age here. So I wanted to update the age. Previously we have age 22, right? So now I wanted to update the age with 23. So this age is previously existing, right? If the key is previously existing, if we assign a new value, this value will be updated. So if the key itself does not exist in the dictionary, it will create a new key value pair by using this assignment operator. So I hope you can able to understand. So now if I execute this, this is got executed, and if I print details here, I am printing details, and if I execute this, you can able to see the age is got updated. Here we are getting 23. Previously we have the age which is 22. So by using this operation, we can actually not only adding the key value pairs, but we can actually update the existing key value pairs. So here in this case we are updating the age, right? So I hope you can able to understand how we can add a key value pair and update a value in the dictionary. So here we are only doing the process with the one key value pair, right? So here we cannot add more key value pairs to the dictionary. So to do that, we have one more specific method to add a key value pair or to update a key value pairs. Either it may be single or multiple key value pairs. We have a specific method which is nothing but update here. So by using this update, we can add a key value pair or multiple key value pairs. So let us go ahead and see how this update works. So I will take the same previous example in order to make the process simple. So I am taking details here. I am executing this. So if I print, so sorry, if I print details here, we are having the details name Mahesh, age 22. So this is the previous example. So to make the difference, I will take details 1, and here also I will take details 1. I am executing this, so I am executing this. So here in this details 1, we are having name and age, right? So now if I wanted to add a key value pair, we can use this update to add a key value pair. So let us go ahead and see how we can do that. So to do that, we need to mention the dictionary, right? So details 1 dot update. So we need to update this dictionary with a new key value pair. So the key value pair that I will be considering, which is nothing but gender here. So the value that I will be considering, which is nothing but male here. If I execute this, we are getting an error because we cannot pass like this. So here we are passing like this. So we need to mention the key value pairs in the dictionary itself. So that is what I need to do. Here I will be mentioning a curly brace. We need to mention this key value pairs in the curly brace, then only it will be considered as a key value pair and the original dictionary will be updated. If I execute this, this is got executed, and if I print details 1 here, and if I execute this, we can able to see the gender male is got updated with this particular details dictionary. So I hope you can able to understand how we can update the key value pairs in the dictionary. So we are updating the key value pairs with only one key value pair, right? So not just one, we can update the dictionary with any number of key value pairs that we wanted. So I will explain with two key value pairs here. So I am taking details 1 dot update here. So in this I will be passing a dictionary, and in this dictionary I will be having, let's say, interesting. So I am taking interesting, and the value that I will be taking, which is nothing but like here. So if the video is interesting, hit the like button, and for more I am taking a key which is more, and the value that I will be taking, which is nothing but subscribe here. So I am taking these two key value pairs. So one is interesting like and more subscribe. So now if I execute this, this is got executed, and if I print details 1 here, and if I execute this, so we need to modify this details 1. So you can see the result. We are having name Mahesh, age 22, gender male. So this is the previous dictionary key value pairs, right? So with this execution, we are getting a two new key value pairs. One is interesting. If the video is interesting, hit the like button. So we have a key interesting and the value is like. So a key more and the value is subscribe. So by this you can able to understand, by using this update method we can able to update the original dictionary, so with any number of key value pairs that we wanted. So here we are mentioning the dictionary inside of this particular update method, right? So we can also mention a list of tuples or tuple of lists. So we can mention whatever the way that we wanted. So in our previous video we have seen how we can create the dictionary by using dict method and passing nested lists or nested tuples, right? So in the similar way you can pass the same thing to this particular update. So what I will be doing is that, to make you understand, I will take the same example and I will modify this to dictionary details 2 here. So I am modifying dictionary 2, and if I print details 2 here, if I execute this, we are having name and age, right? So now we can able to pass the nested lists or nested tuples. So that is the reason I am demonstrating this. So I need to take details dot update here, details 2 dot update. So in this we need to pass either nested lists or nested tuples, whatever we wanted. So in this case I will be taking a list in the outside and the tuples in the inside. So here what I will be doing is that I will pass this same thing here. So I will create new thing. So here I am mentioning interesting. So this is one of the element which is nothing but string. So we need to separate the values by comma, right? So that is what I am doing. So if you got any confusion, watch my previous video about dictionary creation. There I have clearly explained how we are mentioning all of these things. Here we are having a tuple, and inside of this tuple we are having one string here which is acting as a key, and this string like is acts as a value. So this is one key value pair, and again I will be creating one more key value pair. So this is more. So I will be mentioning comma subscribe here. So like this we can able to update this details dictionary by using new key value pairs that are represented in the nested lists or nested tuples. In this case I am taking a list in the outside and the tuples in the inside. If I execute this, this is got executed, and if I print details 2 here, and if I execute this, you can able to see we have got a name Mahesh, age 22, interesting, like and more, subscribe. So like this we can able to update the dictionary with whichever the way that we wanted by using key value pairs. Either it may be in the dictionary or either it may be in the nested structures. So nested list, nested tuples, nested set, like that we can able to update. So I hope you can able to understand that. So by this way we can able to add one or more elements to the dictionary, right? So one more way that we have in order to add the elements to the dictionary, which is nothing but set default. By using this set default method we can able to two things. We can able to do two things. One is we can able to access the element, access the value of a key if the key is already present. If the key is does not present, it will create the new key value pair and the value will be returned. So I hope you can able to understand that. So let us go ahead and see with the example. So I will take this same example here to save some time, and I will pasting here. So I will take details 3 here. So I am taking details 3. This is got executed. So I will be printing details 3 here. So this is got executed. So now I will be using this set default. Understand carefully the behavior of this set default. So here I am taking details 3 dot set default, and what I will be doing is that here in this method we need to pass a key value pair. If the key is present, it will return the existing value. If the key is not present, the value will be updated with the key value in the dictionary, and the dictionary will be and the value will be returned. So here I will be taking this age and I will be mentioning 33 here. So now if I execute this, we are getting 22. The reason is because this key, which is age, is already present in the dictionary. Because of that reason, the value for this key is returning, which is nothing but 22 here. So now what I will be doing is that I will mention one key which is not even present in the dictionary. So set default. So I will be mentioning gender here, and I will mention the value which is nothing but male here. If I execute this, we are getting male, and if I print this details 3 here, and if I execute this, this gender is previously not present in the dictionary. After executing this particular set default gender male, this new key value pair with gender and male is created in the dictionary. So I hope you can able to understand the behavior of this particular set default. When the key is already present in the dictionary, when we call this particular set default, it will return the value of the existing key. So if the key itself is not presenting, so it will create a new key value pair whatever we are passing here. So I hope you can able to understand. So we cannot pass more key value pairs to this. So we can only pass one key and one value. So if you wanted to update or add more key value pairs, the only method that we have, which is nothing but update here. So I hope you can able to understand all the things explained in this video. So I will quickly wrap up so that you can able to have some kind of a conclusion here. So here we are using this equal to operator in order to add a new key value pair to the dictionary or update the value for the existing dictionary. So in such case we will be using this is equal to method. So here we cannot add or update more number of key value pairs. That is the reason we are going for update here. So when we are using this update, we can pass single key value pairs in the dictionary or in the nested structures. So the existing dictionary will be updated. So we can pass one key value pair or multiple key value pairs. So apart from that, we have seen how we can use this set default. When the key value pair is already present in the dictionary, it will return the existing value. If the key itself is not present in the dictionary, it will create a new key value pair and return whatever the value that we are passing with that key. So I hope you can able to understand that. So when we are discussing this update method, we haven't discussed one case, which is nothing but when we have let's say the existing value is not already present, the existing key value pair is already present. In that case, when we pass existing key with a different value, what is the behavior that we haven't seen, right? So let us go ahead and see that. So I am executing this details one. So here what I will be doing is that I will use details one dot update here. So here what I will be mentioning is that, let's say if I pass this age here, so I am passing age, so I will be passing with some other age, let's say 23 here. So now if I execute this, this is got executed, and if I print details here, details one here, if I execute this, we have got the updated value of this age. So by this you cannot only add the elements, but you can also update the elements present in the dictionary. So I hope you can able to understand that. So that's it for this video. So I hope you have understood all the concepts explained in this video, and I hope you have found this video interesting. If that is true, hit the like button and comment whatever you thought about this video. So in the next video, we will see how we can remove the elements from the dictionary, how we can remove values, keys, key value pairs in the dictionary. So to stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.